All right, don't mind my little scribble. I wrote the number wrong, so instead of redoing this entire paper, I just scribbled it out. So I'm sorry about that. It's a little messy. This is our last one. And if you remember, we have decimals. And when we have decimals and we don't want to work with decimals, what we do is we find how many places it takes to get to the right side of the number. So this is a shift of 1. This is a shift of 1. This is a shift of 1. And this is a shift of 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite this, but we're going to write it as whole numbers. And that's absolutely acceptable because we're doing it uniformly with every single term. So now I have a new inequality that is equivalent to this inequality, but I don't have to worry about decimals or anything like that, which is good. I have variables on each side, but remember we want to get everything on the left as far as variables go. So I'm going to add 26x over this way. That cancels. 26 and 9. I think that's 35 plus 193 greater than 53. We're then going to solve this two-step. So that means that we're going to subtract 193 from both sides. And it's okay that it's going to be negative. Like, the numbers can be negative. That's not a problem. 193 minus 53 is 140. And since it's in reverse, it'll be a negative 140. Let me grab my calculator and I'll let you know what we get in a second. Okay, I'm back. So we're going to divide both sides by 35. That cancels. This is a positive. We are dividing by a positive, so our symbol stays exactly the same. And negative 140 divided by 35, this is why I need a calculator. Get negative 4. And the variable's on the left. And we didn't divide by negative, so we don't have to switch the symbol. Negative 4 is right here. Open circle. No equal sign, so no closed circle. This is a greater. Greater is to the right because all numbers that are bigger are on the right of the number line. And boom, we're done. All you have to do is the you try. So check your answers for that, and then you can move on to your assignment.